Hello dear friends, this is Dnyanakashiacademy. This is your channel. In this class we are discussing about Maharashtra State Board Syllabus 7th class Mathematics. First chapter is geometrical construction. In this class, before you studying in this class, this is our channel. First time you visit this channel, please subscribe and bell icon to the next week. And all of you invite in this video geometrical construction. Some basic terms we discuss first. Next after that we study the what is the questions and what is the solution. First you must be read and understanding what is the concept here in this geometrical construction. First concept is angle bisector. Angle, the ray through the vertex of an angle. The ray BC is ray and BA is ray and BM also a ray, which divided here through the vertex. Vertex it means AB and AC joining point B here. AB ray and BC ray joining point is B. B is the one vertex of an angle. Yes, which is divide the angle into two equal parts. Angle is divided into two equal parts. This is called as angle of bisector. BM is a ray. It divided angle two equal parts. Angle ABC divided into two equal parts. That equal parts are ABM and CBM. These two are equal angles. These equal angles we called as a congruent angle. Yes, first you understand the angle of bisector. A given angle, you bisect this one. How to bisect the angles we are discussing next. Next one, perpendicular bisector of a line segment. How to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment? We take the PS is a one line segment. You take a PS is a one line segment. The perpendicular line drawn through the midpoint of the line segment we call as a perpendicular bisector of the line segment. Okay, we take a PS and draw the perpendicular. IM is the midpoint of PS. I draw the one line is DC. DC is exactly perpendicular to the PS. This line we called as a perpendicular bisector. Okay, next one, third one, the property of angle bisector of the triangle. You take a one triangle, any measurement. That angle bisector of the triangle concurrent. Okay, the angle bisector of the triangle is concurrent. Concurrent it means A P Q R is a one triangle and you PQ perpendicular bisector you draw and PR perpendicular bisector you draw and QR perpendicular bisector draw, and these three lines are exactly coincide with the one point. This point we call as a concurrent point. The point of the concurrent of the angle bisector of the triangle denoted by as a letter I, and this is called as a incenter. Incenter it means PQ is a triangle. In between inside the triangle, this center is called as a incenter. Okay, then B is a interior of the triangle. Interior of the triangle is the C. Okay, interior of the triangle is a C. Is third one, the equidistance from the side of the triangle. See here, all of you. I is a concurrent point, and also PQR midpoint of the point is I. IF, ID, IB are a equal distance from these three sides of the triangles. Okay, we are going to next concept, fourth one, the property of the perpendicular bisector of the side of the triangle. Okay, you consider one triangle, the perpendicular bisector of the side of the triangle are concurrent. Yes, you take any triangle like this. The point of the concurrent of the perpendicular bisector of the side triangle A is called as a circumcenter. Okay, circumcenter is denoted as a C. All of you see this diagram. This diagram, you take any triangle. This is not, this angle is not perfectly in right angle. We imagination line you draw IF. This is a perpendicular. Imagination line we draw the point like this image we called as the property of angle bisector of the triangle. In this diagram, we can observe the property of perpendicular bisector. This is only angle of bisector. Just you P angle bisector, Q angle bisector, R angle bisector. But in this diagram, we draw the perpendicular bisector. You take a XY measurement, you take any measurement more than half, you take and bisect this line segment. And these three sides also taking the lead like a measurement, we draw the point. This point we called as a circumcenter. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about how to draw this like a diagrams, how to draw the geometrical construction using this first information. All of you excited to learn how to construct the geometrical construction? Yes, very good. We are going to learn about how to construct the geometrical construction. First question is like this. Draw the line segment of a length 5.3 centimeter, second one 6.7 centimeter, third one 3.8 centimeter with a draw their perpendicular bisector. Yes, in this first question, what's a perpendicular bisector? First, I take a 5.3 centimeter. Okay, where is 5.3 centimeter? All of you see, listen carefully. Where is 5.3? All of you see, this one is a 5. After that 5, just 3 numbers you can count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is 5.3. I measure 5.3 here. First diagram, I draw the 5.3. This is 5.3. I write AB. This is 5.3 centimeter. Yes, what say here? Draw their perpendicular bisector. Draw their perpendicular bisector. I can measure 5.3 here. 5.3 centimeter here. I take more than half. More than half, it means 5 exactly divided into 2.5. X. I take a up to 3 centimeter. Yes, 3 centimeter is more than half, or you also take more than 3 also. Okay, take more than half. I put on the compass on A point and cut here and also cut here. After that, this compass I put on the B point and cut here like this and cut here like this. We got 2 point here. One is here, another one here. Please join these 2 points. Okay, this one is our perpendicular bisector. Yes, all of you understand? X. We are going to next 6.7 point. Okay, 6.7 centimeter. All of you see here 6. After that you count 7 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 6.7 centimeter I draw. Next one, next perpendicular bisector is 6.7. This one is AB. AB line segment, perpendicular bisector using the more than half. More than half you take and draw the arc from point A. I put on B sides and another arc I draw here. We given 2 points here, here and here. Please join these two number. Please join to these 2 points. We get perpendicular bisector. This is also perpendicular bisector. This is also perpendicular bisector. This point PQ line segment is exactly half of this point M. Perpendicular midpoint I denoted as the letter M. This midpoint I denoted as the letter N. Okay. Our answer is correct or not. Please check like this. AB line segment is 6.7 centimeter. Then divide with the two parts. Okay. What is the measurement here? 3.3. Okay. Exactly half of the 6.7 centimeter. Okay. This is our correct perpendicular bisector. Next one. 3.8 centimeter. Using the ruler, you measure 3.8 centimeter. Here 3.8 centimeter. I denoted as a letter line segment AB, and AB more than half I take, more than half, put on the A side. I draw the one arc, upper side and down side also I draw the one arc, and put on the B side and I draw the another arc like this. I have a 2 points here. Please join these two numbers. Please join these 2 points. We get one midpoint of AB. O is a AB midpoint. O is a AB midpoint of line. Okay. This one we call as a PQ line segment. This line is 6.7 centimeter. This one is 3.8 centimeter. Okay. As we draw like this, given line segment of a length, how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay. Next we are discussing about next question. What is next question here? What is next question? Draw angle of measures 105, 30, 55 degree and 90 degree. Draw their bisector. First what we do? You take any line, any measurement of line segment. You take any measurement of line segment. Okay. I draw one line segment. First angle is 105. 105 I take using the protector. Where is 105? All of you read the inner side of the scale. This is exactly 90 degree and this one is 100. I say 105. Okay, 105. This one is 100 and 1, 2, 3, 5. 105 here. And exactly middle point I put on the A. This one is A and B. I put on the A point of middle point of the protector. Now I measure the 105 degree here. 105 degree here. Okay. Okay, 105 degree here. And join this point. join these two points. This one is a 105 degree here. How to draw the angle bisector? I take a one radius of any measurement like this using the compass. I put on the A side and cut the AB line segment and also AC line segment. Don't change the radius. Equal distantly I cut AC also. And don't change your radius, put on the this point. This point M and this one is N. Put on the M side, I draw one arc and put on the M side or draw the one arc. We given one point here. This point we called as a O. Now I join the A and O. Now I join the A and O line. This line segment is exactly bisect angle CAB. Measure R. Can I write R? RAB angle is exactly 52.5. 52.5 here. 52.5 here. This is also 52.5. Exactly divide these two angles. These two angles we are called as a congruent angles. Okay, these two angles are equal because of AR is bisect with angle A, angle CAB. Next given measurement is 55 degree bisector. I take any line segment here. I take any line segment. I denote it as a letter A and B, and using the protractor I measure the 55 degree. Using the protractor, put on the A side, I measure the 55 degree. Always you must read the inner scale of the protractor. Okay, this one is 50 and 55 here. Okay, put on the A side and draw the 55. Put on the A point on the exactly middle point is put on the A side. 55 degree you must measure. 55 degree here and join these two points A and C. Okay, this one is C, this one is a B. Okay, angle CAB is 55 degree. Now we have to draw the bisector of angle CAB. You take any measurement of radius using the compass. You draw the one arc from AB and another arc from AC. This arc is cut on AB. That point put your, don't change your radius, put on this side and same radius, you don't change it. I put on this point and draw a one arc and put on this side or draw another line. Put on these sides, we have a one point come out. This point we call as a O. Now I join the A and O points here. This one is a AS. AS is a bisector of angle CAB. This one is 55 degree, whole is 55 degree. 55 degree bisect in two equal parts. Okay. This angle of bisector, all of you measure SAB angle is exactly 27.5 degree. angle CAS is exactly 27.5. Using the protractor, these two angles are equally bisect. Okay, equally bisect. Okay, 27.5 here. Okay, exactly. AS is exactly bisect to the angle CAB. Next one is 90 degree. First, I take a one line segment like this. You take any measurement. This line I measure AB. AB is a line segment. Next one, using the protractor, I draw the 90 degree. 90 degree here. I join these 2 points. This one is AC. This one is AC. This one is exactly 90 degree. 90 degree and bisect angle. I take any radius of the this compass. I cut the AB line segment. Also don't change the radius or draw the AC line segment also. This one is AC line segment. Without changing the radius, without changing the this geometrical measurement, I put on this side. This name is M and N. This name also M and N. I put on the M point. I put on the M point without changing any measurement. I draw one arc. I put on the N point. I draw another arc. These two arcs are joining this point. This point we call as O. I draw the AO line segment. Okay, this is O. Can I write the angle TAB is a 45 degree and angle CAT also 45 degree because of AT is bisect to the angle A, angle CAB. This is the how to draw the angle bisector. This first one is the how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, thank you for watching. Please draw and subscribe and like, share, subscribe to the bell icon to the next way. Thank you for watching.